Hey, if you are trying to lock your Instagram so that no one else can see your messages, in this video I will tell you how you can do it. So before this, please subscribe and like this video. So first you have to go to setting. Yes, you have to go to setting of your mobile and then scroll down and go to apps, and here in the last there is an option called app lock. You have to tap on it. Then you have to draw a pattern. I will draw a pattern first. Now here you can lock any apps on your mobile. So now I will search Instagram. As you can see, Instagram has appeared. Now you have to tap on this icon. So now friends, Instagram is locked. So friends, now I will show you whether it is locked or not. So I will click on Instagram. So friends, as you can see, it is locked. Now I will draw a pattern and it will be unlocked. So simple. So friends, if this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified first whenever I upload any video.